Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished installing a double-din stereo on this Toyota Estima 2013. This one's an import, so the original stereo is this one here, which was in a different language. Customer wanted to change it over and get an upgrade. So what we've done is we've put this XTRONS unit in there. Looks pretty swish. It all works with the steering wheel control, so just turn the volume up.
It's got talent judge Amanda Holden.
So all fully functional on that side. It's full touch screen. You'll see it, ignore the label there. We've got a screen protector on there, which we prefer the customer to take off the stereo. So it's all fully touchscreen, very responsive. You've got absolutely loads of features on this radio. For example, you've got you can hotspot your phone to it, and you can go on YouTube. So we've got the little logo there. You got Play Store just here as well. Sorry about the sunlight glare. And you can download basically various apps like Waze, Spotify straight onto the unit. Hotspot it with your phone. And you know, enjoy all the features on it. Really responsive unit. We're doing quite a lot of these, certainly for the imports, the Toyota Priuses, Toyota Estimas, where they're coming in with, you know, stereos in different languages which can't be changed. So this unit also has like navigation on it as well, so you can either do it through Google Maps or Waze, or you can actually download offline maps on here as well. So really popular. It's got DVD on there as well, so it's got a CD slide there as well. So really good upgrade. If you're interested in getting something like this done, then give us a shout, contact us on the details after the video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.